Hey guys, what's up? Today we will be putting a fork in the microwave in this VR game. And my friend is going to put his boba in there. Oh! Let's see guys. Guys, I wonder what's happening to the fork. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. No, wait, 34 more seconds. You better not take that fork away. Oh man, it's burning. Oh no, you're gonna be burning. Don't do this at home, kids, or this is what will happen to your fork and microwave. And your house as well. Oh, bro, you were on the fork. Now I'm gonna stop. I don't want a bird fork. I want a dog. This is a painful punishment. Oh, wait, what's he gonna do to the dog? Is he gonna pet it? Yo. Not the dog. It doesn't matter. Burn that dog. Oh, Same ending as the dog.